Welcome. Let's start off the show. All right. Anil, hey, welcome. The first one. All right, all right. Let's see. What are we doing right now? Or how's the price doing? We have a high at 21,215. Red, good morning, and Gerald is here. Hey, good morning. All right. Kuko, good morning. Yeah, so first of all, let's check on ES. So let's just state the obvious on the S&P here. We have the 6,000 level very, very, very close on ES right now. Look at this. Now, obviously, I think that sooner or later market is going to go for the 6,000. It's such a nice round number. It's a psychological level. That ES sooner or later is going to go for it, I think. Marcin, hey there. David. Oh, thank you for the support, David. Thank you so much. Good luck with the account. Trade safe. Wish you all the profits and luck and everything. And, you know, just steady, under the radar. No home runs, just base hits. And, you know, you will get there. Everybody will get there. Oh, thank you, Red. Yeah, $4,000 got approved by Apex yesterday, and I already got the email for those of you guys who were saying asking if Apex pays properly. So I just wanted to say that how can I show this? I don't want to show my bank details, but I can show you like this. I think so. So here you go. Here's the email just 8 hours ago. $4,000. The processing already sent to the bank account, so Apex Trader actually started to process the payment. So $4,000, which is good. First we thought 6,000 will end with the sharp decline. Yeah, most likely. Yannick's, hey there. Thank you. Yeah, you taught me well. Exactly. Apex approve your payout. Let's go, Yannick. All right, so back to NQ. We have some highs here to the left at 21,214. 21,214. And it seems like we are having a bit of a pullback here. Maybe back down below the midnight level. We don't know that. I haven't even checked the news. Nothing special. Naomi, good morning. Good to see you, Naomi. Yeah, I know, Yannick. It feels good to receive these kind of emails. TOMSABO you yesterday. Let's go. Yeah, no drama. TOMSABO also pays very fast. So TOMSABO is fast. All right. Bum, 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 bum. Is it still working? It's still working. Okay. How long is the milestone plan still active? Until November 30. Okay. Okay, so price pulled back down to previous day high as kind of a support. Not really, but it does seems like that it's finding some sort of support here. MyFundedFutures milestone will last until the end of the month. Oh yeah. If you click on this Streamlabs link there, there's a picture about the promo. There's a flyer there, and you can check the details, and it's until November 30. So instant at least this current instant funded account promotion. All right. Checking the 15-minute as well. Everything has been repriced so far. The next level on the 15-minute in terms of fair value gap would be down here at the 15-minute BC. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency down there. Otherwise, nothing special. There's a small 5-minute gap, almost like a bullish order block, but not a perfect one, but it's down at the midnight level. Currently, we are in a 5-minute gap, by the way. Just saying. I might change the color of this one. And yeah, so this is a 5-minute level. Nothing special so far. Looking for actually some bullish continuation, but that's it. Michael S. Hey, good morning. You're staying. Yanix, I don't want to be negative or anything, but I think we just have to forget about FTT. I think it's like, as of yesterday and today, it's like official. People can't even log into their Rhythmic Trader. So even the data provider said something that the data fees are not paid by FastTrack Trading. So unfortunately, that is a bad sign. And you cannot log in. At least that's what I couldn't log in to my Rhythmic with FastTrack Trading. So I think it's almost safe to say that they are officially done. Yeah, FTT is going down. It's I think it's almost like it's almost official. I mean, even the mods don't even care in the Discord anymore. Nobody cares. So I think FTT is officially down. Paul, hey there. Yeah, it might be a boring session waiting for Powell. Yeah, so usually when we have Powell, then the London session tends to be sideways and nothing special. Trader Monk, you're a good morning. Yeah, Mesh, those mother tuckers. Unfortunate, man. I mean, I never thought that FTT, what full name? FastTrack Trading. Roberta's FastTrack Trading. So I am not able to log into my Rhythmic, and many people are saying that they are not able to log in. Somebody posted a message that the data provider said that the fees are not paid or something. So FastTrack Trading was not paying for the data. So what does that tell you? You know, let's state the obvious, and you know, let's lose those false hopes. FastTrack Trading is, I think, it's officially done as of yesterday or today. So I think it's over. Unfortunate, man. That's why, you know, I know I was trading with them. A lot of other people were trading with them. I always say never put your eggs in one basket. I trade with multiple prop firms just because of these similar reasons. if any one of these prop firms go down, you know, what can we do? Nothing. Fresh Delgado. Trump got in office and Bitcoin had an all-time. Oh yeah, Bitcoin actually went up there to, what was the high? Did it go to 76 500-ish? That's good. That's actually very good. What a move, you know. Okay, 5 minute looks like it wants to go further down. Elon has to rescue them. Even my account got deleted after I request payout. I told Thomas a few days ago. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's simulated money. CFTC doesn't care about this. At least not at this point. CFTC technically doesn't give even a flying F about these prop firms. Because it's just demo money. They don't care about it. Yeah, TraderMonk, nobody can log in because FastTrack Trading did not pay their data fee. So there actually at this point there is no data connection to anywhere through FTT, and nobody tells anything. Somebody posted a message from Rhythmic that FastTrack Trading didn't pay the data fee. So it's pretty obvious, guys. It's pretty obvious. I think yesterday or today is the day that it's over for FTT. I think they can't even, they're not even processing the payments. I mean, obviously you can pay them, but the account creation is not happening, of course. Support doesn't give a flying F. Nobody gives a flying F about what people are saying. And I think it's abandoned ship right now at their Discord. Unfortunately. This was on for weeks since the rug pull and stuff. Yeah, so lots of promises, like a lot of promises happened. A lot of promises, new promises every single week or every 3 days or 4 days, new promises, and nothing happened. So unfortunate. Be careful what you wish for. Yeah. Anyway, we have to move on. FastTrack Trading is in the past now. So we're moving forward. FastTrack Trading now. Well, yeah. It's done. I think today is the day it's officially done. They are officially insolvent, I think. All right, let me check something real quick. All right, so we're going down to the midnight level. To the midnight level, I think. Interesting that You know, we had this candle formation. I think we can go down further. Can we? Or are we? Taking a small short here. This is my probe trade for the day. Obviously, it's not going to be my best trade. Oh, it's going against me already. There's a small little liquidity void, and it was trading through this 5-minute gap, so I thought that we could be going lower into 916-ish area. So I took a small short, only 3 micros, like 70 bucks. So, but it's not going right now. My probe trade never turns out to be good. Oh yeah, it's going back. Justice for Peanut and Squirrel. Yeah, oh man. When I heard about that, it was like, did they really do that with the squirrel? That squirrel was having a caring family and everything. And wow. Yeah, I mean, I saw on Twitter that it's trending, like, where is Kamala? It's trending everywhere. Where is Kamala? I think she vanished. Everywhere is the same sign. Where is Kamala? Anyway, as I said, moving on with our life. And I'm in this very, very, very small short position. You know, I thought that maybe this one might want to go lower. You know, kind of like using this gap as an inversion after this almost bearish breaker with the liquidity void up there. I thought that it wants to continue down. You know, the 15-minute also looks like it might want to sweep some more liquidity down there. But, you know, might not gonna go. Tom, you start a good fund me to hire a lawyer for Peanut. Yeah, maybe we should do that. Maybe should run away with FTT owner. Maybe. Holy Grail, good morning. Marco, good to see you, man. How you doing? Always a pleasure, Marco. All right. So, I'm just looking if this one might want to go down. Risk to reward ratio wise, well, we have 11. Well, almost 1 to 2, 1.9 ish if it goes. They already have one setup. I mean, I don't know who. So if I see ES pushing up again, I might just gonna close the trade. Remember, 6,000 is gonna be a possible target for today. I think we can see that happening. Careful with the shorts. I'm just risking about 70 bucks. She deleted her socials. She deleted her socials. Kamala Harris deleted her socials. Wow. That's weird. All right, I'm closing down the trade. I closed it. It's moving up. And now it's going back. It's crazy. Good morning, Farhad. Oh, the one. Oh. Okay, I didn't understand that. Okay. Wow, that's like, wow. Imagine the hatred that person got, you know. Okay, so what's it gonna be? We're, just hovering here at this fair value gap now. And I just can't imagine what is going on. Should have stayed in the trade. Damn it. Now it's going down. Lesson learned. Actually, it would have taken me out, by the way, up here, because my stop loss was right up there at 47. So would have taken me out and then going down to my original TP at 16. Elon and Joe Rogan spoke of peanut on Rogan's podcast. They did. Oh. Well, I think the drawn liquidity now should be somewhere around here at 916. I think could be repricing this area. Yeah, right now. But the midnight opening price level got this rejected quite nicely. Anyway, 15-minute busy down there. Nothing else. But by the way, this trade could have been a good one, but it would have taken me out anyway. So I think I did the right thing that I closed it here at 42. But I still believe that this one should be popping the 916. Miss Shorts, yeah, no problem. You know, YBK, I would have been taken out with a stop loss. I closed it manually here around 42, but my stop loss was right here at the spike, at the top of the spike at, I think it was 48 or something, my stop loss. So it would have stopped me out anyway. But 916 should go down. Relative equal lows. Has to be some sort of liquidity down there as well if it wants to sweep some more. So I would think that this one could continue go down. Looking for 5-minute levels, but the only place I see is actually this one, which is actually not just a 5 but a 15-minute BC as well. All right, it should be taking that 916 now. Okay, there you go, 916. Yeah, so the analysis was correct, but the stop loss, you know, was a dirty move here. And at least I know that the analysis was correct. The moral victory, you know. Tamás, good morning. Hello, Dozolek. So return to breaker and Dantier. Simeon, hello. Trading you paper trade didn't fill. Oh, you deleted it. Okay. Sometimes I use paper trade for practicing. I have like 50,000 on this paper trading account. Yeah, 50,655. Sometimes is, by the way, sometimes to practice your entries, it's good to paper trade. Had my take profit on short at 50 but missed by 2 ticks. It happens so many times. Don't worry, D44, it happens. We're going down to the 15-minute BC. It seems like it. Also, we have a 5-minute fair value gap here. I'm gonna try to put it here as well. That's the 5-minute. As you see, the levels are quite quite almost the same. But the closest one is the 15-minute BC level, which is, I would say the mid-level is 896. So, SNC, hey! Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Good to have you. All right, so welcome again. So it seems like 20,902, and you know, I would target the 896. You got stopped out at break even. That's I mean, that's why I said I entered here somewhere here actually. Manually closed it here, but doesn't matter because my stop loss was right at the top of this wick, so it would have taken me out as well, and my TP was down there, so that was kind of a dirty move. But you know, we're still ahead of the London Open, so anything can happen. SNC, hey, how's it going? How's it been here for lurking? All right. Get into PM trading as I live in Hawaii. It's easier to trade London. Oh, I get it. Hawaii, beautiful, nice. Man, I wish I would be in Hawaii right now. Yeah. Gonna learn some. Well, SNC, I am thrilled and thank you for joining us. I'm not a mentor. I'm not a teacher. I'm not a profitable trader. I'm not consistently profitable. This is a journey, you know. That's what I do here, and obviously not just a journey, but yeah, obviously trying to make money too. Oh, I forgot to say hello to Zoltan. Zoltan, hello. Good morning. Trump daddy plane running out of fuel. All right. So anyway, I'm happy to have you, SNC, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'm also just trying to be better and better, you know. 9:30 p.m. Would rather trade around this time now. Yeah. But dude, it's Hawaii, you know. Oh my god, that's a beautiful place. As far as I've seen it on pictures and videos. Dario, good morning. It's all about the ride. The ride is what makes, yeah, exactly. Wetmild, hey there. Another Hawaii cat, yeah, Wetmild, you know, there you go. Wetmild is... Thanks for joining, Wetmild. I'm not a market maker. I do have the connection to market makers, and I used to play golf with Michael Huddleston, you know, during summer, but nothing special. Yeah, Trump called me yesterday, but I told him I don't have time for him, so I will get back to him the other day. Getting tired of these New York sessions. I'm gonna start trading. Well, you know, London is good, but obviously we have the big moves in New York. But London used to be, I mean, obviously slower, obviously a bit slower than New York. But you know, if it's not tricky, then London can give beautiful moves as well and beautiful targets. If there's no special news events, London tends to respect levels and go to the targets as it should. No, he didn't tell me anything about the Diddy parties, but yeah. I have the direct phone number to Michael, so I can call him anytime I want. All right. So we swept these equal lows at 916 and just created another one at 908, and we still have the 15-minute and the 5-minute BC down there. No entry on my end currently. This trade, the analysis was good, but I ended up with a tiny loss. Actually, I ended up with $40 loss or something, so it's okay. And what else? Asia low. So after 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we had this wick at 865. I would consider that as technically the Asia low. Obviously, we have another low here at 860. And what else? The new day opening gap. There is no new day opening gap currently. Perfectly covered. So I'd say, and look at the reaction here. At 9:10 p.m. yesterday, this reaction from this mid-level, this was perfect. This was not random. And I would say, you know, if we consider this on this 5-minute chart as a bearish breaker, then I would say that the 50% level, and you know, maybe something, you know, maybe I could go in with a short position when it gets to 927.50. Hold on. Actually, I'm gonna put it to 25. Sell. I put a sell limit at 927.25. Stop loss is gonna be up at 43-ish area, and the take profit level would be at 896. Oh yeah, something like that. Okay, so limit order at 927.25. I'm gonna show you. There it is. I'm only risking like $100 on this. 3 micros. My stop is up there. Obviously, if it trades above these levels, especially at my stop, then it should be taking out the high. So 1 to 2 risk to reward. Let's see if I'm gonna get filled here or not. Yeah, it's in a 5-minute fair value gap. Technically, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it down to 27. That's it. That's it. 27. If I'm gonna get filled. And okay. All right. 42.75. 42.7. Okay, I got filled. I got filled. And 86, right? Hold on. 942.75. Okay. No, 894. 894. All right, that's gonna be my TP. I don't know why. 96. Actually, the low of this candle is 96. I'm gonna go with 96 then. It's not a perfect risk to reward ratio, but I'm gonna go with profit level 96. Okay, so this is my trade. Obviously, it can go up again, so it's just a small one. Let's read the chat. I lived in Hawaii for 10 years. 10 years ago, over 10 years ago. Then I moved to Thailand. Better time zone for trading. Nice, D44. I'm gonna go actually visit Thailand too. I have quite a few friends who were already been to Thailand, and they're saying that I definitely have to visit the place. Bob, good morning. Good to see you, man. Bray, hey there. Signed a contract with Bulenox. Nice. Let's go, Bray. Nice normal move and trade workout. New York traps. Yeah, a lot of traps in Europe, but also London can be very tricky as well. So London can be also very tricky. Put your limit at 34. Trade at demand with me. Sniper entry. 34? Yeah, I mean, I guess it can go up there, definitely. And then I'm going to be sweating. That is going to take out my stop. I end too late, you know. Too late. Too late. The damage is done. Too late. Oh man, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. You know, I thought that this one might want to go down and reprice some levels. I don't usually like to take the breakers, but we had a nice reaction, inverse reaction on this fair value gap. So I thought, you know, why not? Maybe we will see some sort of continuation to the downside here. So excuse me. Good morning, Alex. Good morning. How you doing today? Hey. Bum ba-da-dum, bum bum ba-dum. It's, you know, when it's usually taking too much time here, I don't like that because then it tends to continue higher. If it goes to OTE levels, then I just like it to go real fast again, to go down, but it's not happening. I mean, the 5-minute entry model looks good as sorta multiple structure breaks on the 5-minute to go lower. With Andre? All right, let's check. Thank God we woke up. Yeah, third one. Let me check. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations. That's awesome. Awesome. Oh no, it's going up. It's going up. What's gonna happen? Morning, John. John, what's up? What's going on? Let me check on ES too. I mean, despite the fact that we're technically down, I still think that ES is going to go for the 6,000. So it doesn't change the fact that overall this is a bullish movement. But I really thought that we're going to sweep some levels down here before we go. I thought that ES might want to sweep lower as well. It's coming down. We took high and we are in 5-minute twin CB. Oh, well, I'm not worried, even if it takes me out, but you know, this price action was, I mean, maybe it was a trap for the sellers like me, you know, everybody wanted to sell. Well, we have relative equal lows, we have the BCs, we have a bearish reaction on this 5-minute BC as well. Bearish breaker, 5-minute looks good. So everything's lined up so far for price to reach lower, but obviously it's not enough right now. Yeah, NQ21K, I agree. NQ21K. So getting short here is obviously dangerous, but the 21K should be hit. If not, you know, this London session, then we have a very, very good chance that New York session is going to hit the 21K and ES is going to hit the 6,000. Maybe, I mean, in today's New York session. FOMC day. Oh yeah, big moves most likely planned for that. Yeah. That's why, you know, we have to narrow down what could be happening during the day. I mean, during London session. I mean, London session should be having some kind of a purpose, and obviously, not. So what can be done until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time? What kind of quote-unquote logical move can be done, or what kind of liquidity can be swept? Well, of course we can go higher, but if London wants to make a proper move, then it should just sweep liquidity lower and, you know, make the big move ups to the upside in the New York session. But obviously I'm just speculating right now. So, and it's not London open yet. Yes, patient. Exactly, Jules. Exactly, Jules. Have to be patient. Have to be patient. That's why we're here. And we're gonna be patient. Yes, NPM. Yeah, by the way, I totally forgot. Hello. NPM, I'm always glad to see you because, you know the facts about everything and you remind me of levels and stuff. So, yeah. This trade, I don't like it. It's like accumulating to be bullish and push higher. Looks like a small bullish flag, you know, on the 1 minute. That it's ready to go. We have the macro kicking in 20 seconds, if there is going to be some macro. And then we have the London Open. $3,000 for gold. I'm humiliated. No, I think gold is gonna go. It's gonna stay bullish, especially now after the election has happened. uncertainty could be kicking in. But obviously, I don't like this this kind of sideways action, especially not at this level. Trump duel, the power Trump duel will be the highlight of the day. What I probably says Trump will respond, and that is what market will move on. Yeah, it could be the way, like you say. I don't even know, like, whatever Trump is gonna say. I mean, how? I mean, not how, because obviously now that he won the elections, even that he's not in office only from, I think, January, right? Even that he's not in office, you know, now what Trump is, I mean, what he starts to communicate of what he will do or what he will start to do, obviously now is going to take some sort of effect on the markets. So so obviously he does not have to take office just to start working towards or start working before even taking the presidency. So what I meant to say is that now whatever he says, it's going to have a much higher effect on the market. I haven't checked on Tesla shares on the election day, but I'm suggesting that when it turned out for sure that Trump is winning the elections, I think Tesla shares have soared, right? I think I have Tesla somewhere here. I have Nvidia. Here's Tesla. Let's just go with the 1 hour. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Tesla shares, boom. Oh my god, look at this. Tesla from 5th to 6th. Wow. $28. Wow, wow, wow. What a surge. $30. Nice. To look hard to find a similar one. YM daily candle. YM daily. Oh my god. This is, oh. I haven't even checked on YM, to be honest. Oh, let's just break it down to the 1 hour. Wow, look at this. That's how the market sees Trump victory. Wow. Historical. Russell. Russell. Oh yeah. It went up as well. Look at that. Yeah, obviously a bullish reaction at 617. Yeah, it's gonna go higher. Everything's gonna stay bullish, man. So NQ should be continuing higher. I feel like I should have to close my short now. While I can get out with a small loss. Anyway, let's see. I have a bad feeling for my position at London Open. It stayed for too long in this range, so... Yeah, the whole market, every market is like buy the dip, and it's gonna go up to the moon. Really, to the moon. Everything's gonna go up to the moon here. That's just unbelievable. All right, less than 3 minutes to go. All right, 10 seconds. Isham, good morning. Let's see the London Open. Parminder, hey, what's up? What's going on? Cash, how you doing, man? Cedric, good morning. All right, so we have the London Open. Uh-oh, doesn't look good. I don't like these spikes. You're good? I'm doing okay. All is good. All is good. Trading slowly, you know, as a turtle, but secured some more payouts. So that's a good thing, and that's how we are right now. Bessem, hey, good morning. I wonder what's gonna happen now. Hey, Dominic. Awesome. Dominic, congratulations. Yeah, I got approved too. Glad to see you too, Dominic. I am super happy for you because I know you are building up your accounts. You showed me. Guys, Dominic is actually building the accounts up with Apex. So he's actually doing something I want to do. So he's not just aiming for the first available payout, but he's actually building up bigger and bigger buffer, and sometimes he requests money, and I like the way he does it. Congratulations. A lot of patience by Dominic to do that. A lot of work, a lot of grind. And so, for example, what I did since the summer, that as soon as I reached the payout threshold, I took out the maximum amount and I blown the account. So earn and burn, as they said in Apex. And I want to change that. I want to build up more cushion to trade with. Csipesz, jó reggelt, üdvözöllek. Hello. Welcome, welcome, Csipesz. I can use only CFD prop firm in your country. Oh, you can also try maybe ProfiTrade, Bessem. I'm not sure which country are you in. Maybe you said it earlier. I forgot. ProfiTrade is registered in Dubai, and they have more countries available to trade with futures. Tunisia. Okay. Anyway, let me check it. Positions, instruments, general, countries. So for example, here I can show you. Do we have Tunisia? There's no Tunisia. So here's the restricted countries at ProfiTrade, and I don't see Tunisia there. Just saying. So they're registered outside of the US and the EU regulations, and I don't see that. So you can still trade futures if you want with ProfiTrade. You can only pay with crypto. Yeah, that could be a problem. You can't trade from North Korea. Yeah, unfortunately. Go with Bulenox. Bulenox, I don't know if Bulenox is able to pay with crypto. If you can put some money from crypto to some sort of a online bank or some sort of a credit card or debit card, then that could be a solution, you know. Crypto is not ready yet on ProfiTrade. Okay, so that's what I would do. But if you have some sort of solution to open some online bank account with virtual debit card or something, I don't know if it's gonna work, but you know, or you can actually email them and maybe they will give you a solution. You know what, Bassam? Just, you know, send them an email. They usually reply within a day. Send them an email if they can go with any kind of solution for you to be able to pay with crypto. Maybe they will give you an address. I'm not sure. I'm just talking out loud. Or search for some sort of online bank with virtual credit card, virtual debit card, and that could work. They cannot. All right. Can I share a video with Bassam in Arabic where I explain how to buy an account? Sure, holy girl, just give me a second. I have to log into my chat, so I have to give you standard admin rights. Just give me a moment, and then you can post a video link. Let me just log in there. Damn it, this was looking good, now it's looking bad. Just a second. Add as mod, standard mod. Okay, now you can post the link, Holy Grail. Can't he use Wise, like transfer from his account to Wise and then pay like that? It's, yeah, Wise is a virtual bank, yes. Maybe you can try Wise, or I heard that you can open a Revolut account maybe, and Revolut can accept crypto. So Revolut now has a crypto function. So if you open a Revolut account, you send your crypto into your wallet at Revolut, and with Revolut it's free to do a virtual debit card, and then you can pay. That's just one solution. But I don't know if citizens from Tunisia are able to open a Revolut account or not. So that's the other question. So yeah, no problem. No problem. Yeah. So I'm not sure if Revolut or Wise let Tunisian citizens to open any sort of account. So that's why you might have to search for other alternative online banks. Can I use Revolut for Bulenox payout, or better is PayPal? Bray, Revolut is better. I mean, PayPal is expensive. Obviously, PayPal is good and everything's good with PayPal, but the transfer fee is enormously high, like 4 or 4.5%. So I tried to have withdrawal to PayPal too with the Bulenox, The transfer fee is 4.5% with PayPal. 4.5%. That's huge. That's actually a robbery from PayPal. And I also have to convert US dollar to my currency here in Hungary. And that's also another extra 4% conversion fee. So imagine that by PayPal, I lose at least 9.5% if I ask my payout to PayPal. So it's better to use any sort of international bank account. Let it be Bulenox, Wise, whatever. I mean Bulenox, Revolut, Wise, or whatever. Super expensive. PayPal is super expensive for transferring money. I think it's one of the most expensive ones. You can stay away from PayPal. They can freeze. I have a business account for my company with PayPal. I uploaded every document, and I'm using PayPal for my small company since almost 2 years now, Singularity. And trust me, I have not just prop firm income there, but I was working as a contractor for other companies as well with online payment, and everything works out just fine so far with PayPal. I mean, I registered as a business account, and I always upload every document, update my data until it doesn't. I never leave anything on PayPal, just saying. I never leave anything there. Never ever. And I never leave anything at any sort of online bank, just saying, guys. I don't have any money parking on Wise or Revolut or any sort of online bank. I never ever leave any, not even a single dime on an online bank. Because online banks can just vanish to thin air in just a split second. Boom, it's gone. Like in South Park, and it's gone. So I never ever leave not a single dollar on an online bank account. Never. Yeah, Jules, yeah. What a move here. You know, interesting how this one is actually behaving at this level. I feel like this one might want to go back up there. Unfortunate for me, but it is what it is, part of the game. But I really thought that we're gonna go lower to revisit that area. Actually, if I zoom it out for you, well, it's not perfect, but maybe on the mini. Yeah. So I can show you on the mini. The mini represents it a little bit better. We have the 309 candle and the 310 candle. This is my favorite candle formation. This is my absolute favorite candle formation. And let me show you something here. We have this fair value gap here. And on the 5 minute. And here we are on the 1 minute. Look at this. The 309 and the 310. My favorite formation there. Evening star. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's gonna go, but it happens still at this level. The problem is we have this swing high here at 497, but the reaction here was actually great. If I would have entered, for example, there with a stop loss 1.2, well, 2R on that trade would be down there. So it's still a possibility to enter or add to a position here at 932. And that should spike down to 19.50. But anyway, it doesn't seem like it's not working out now, of course. But usually it works out. Usually it works out quite nicely. Yes, you said exactly. And your sniper entry is perfect. You said 34, 35-ish area. Beautiful sniper entry. Beautiful. Crypto farm in 2016 till Cryptopia just disappeared. Oh, I see. That's only with the US clients. Yeah. Are you still with FTT? No, I'm not. Since a few weeks, no. Since I mean, in the past few weeks, I haven't. Not just Quantower, Rhythmic pulled the plug as well. Everything stopped working. You're unable to log into Rhythmic, Quantower, DXSpeed. Everything stopped. Rhythmic. Somebody posted a message from Rhythmic that FTT is not paying their data fee. So, guys, it's safe to say now that FTT is officially done. It's over. The mods don't even care anymore on their Discord. CEO is hiding. I saw it on Discord, but it was like late night or quite a few hours ago. I haven't saved it. There was a small screenshot segment there that FTT has no data data fees or something provided or something like that. It was quite a few hours ago, like I don't know, maybe around sometime before midnight Eastern Standard. But it's over. FTT is over. Not in your wallet, it's not your money. Yeah, when it's not in your wallet, it's not your money. Exactly. Perfect. Yeah, John. When it's not in your wallet, it's not your money. You're mining at home, mine 2 accounts, how well? Oh. Like a ledger, they're cheap. Oh, I see. Your FTT Rhythmic is working? I wasn't able to log into Rhythmic. A lot of people complain that they're not able to log. I'm not able to log into FTT Rhythmic. Yeah. But anyway, it doesn't help them at all. You know. The problem is, you know, that they don't have money. Oh no, I'm gonna get taken out, man. Mahalo Legacy, hey there. And that's our money. Yeah. Meanwhile, CEO posting his new exotic car. Yeah, he does. And roll, yeah. On X. Yeah, I saw that. Oh, I got taken out, man. Unfortunate. Yeah, I saw that post. That was like, wow, you know. It's just Nitro. They could have just started selling cheap evals like Apex and money would have kept coming in. So many people. Yeah. Yeah, I believed them too, because it seemed like a really good business model. Like, obviously a lot of YouTube streamers are affiliates, including myself, and traders put their trust in them because it was really like a fast track into a funded account. So instantly jumping into them. Nobody did that before them. So let's face it. Nobody actually really, I mean, yeah, there were instant accounts, years ago, but not like this on the futures market, futures proper market. So it was really something new. And I also wanted to believe that this one can work out. But I also said many times that, you know, careful. New prop firms, don't put everything on one horse, you know. And unfortunately, it happened. Yeah, Naomi. No, I didn't. I don't. I mean, I got payouts from in September. In September, I got paid. But I also submitted payouts in September yesterday. So, I mean, I just counted 54 days ago. And they're still... They got approved, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. I received affiliate payouts. One affiliate payout I received from them. So actually, I had to directly contact Scott, because I wasn't sure what to do, and I didn't really thought that he's gonna come through. And I directly contacted him on Discord, and I said, "Hey man, listen, it's okay. You know, I didn't receive any affiliate payout. I didn't receive the September submitted, you know, payments, blah blah blah." And he just told me, "No problem. Send me your BTC wallet." And I said, "All right." I sent him my BTC wallet, and he posted me affiliate money. Like, I guess I was a little bit lucky with that, but I understand that 90% of props are losing. Apex did it because they have the war chest huge user base, so they can, yes, something like that. Singularity. Apex can, I think Apex can and will survive, because they have a huge base. From FTT, I mean, it was not now, it was in October, when I directly contacted Scott, the CEO, on Discord. I wasn't sure that he's even going to reply, but he replied. He replied. And I said, "Listen, man, blah, 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 this and that happened, and it would be great to sort this out." And he sent me affiliate money. Yeah. But I got September, so when everything was still okay with them, I submitted payouts, and I got those payouts in about 10 days in September, until everything was okay. He's not a good businessman. Yeah. I think he basically runs the company by emotions, and that's it. Nissim, hey there. Payout date was 10/6. Yeah. Yeah, I also got some emails like paid by date by November the 2nd. But I didn't receive. But I just, yeah, He set up the supercar leasing company using... Yeah, he did. He did. He obviously did. The supercar lease company. The French streamer But Scott told him, "We'll send you all the money, but we'll ban you." The streamer, I would accept that. You know, if he would just pay me out with the rest of the accounts, he can ban me forever. I don't even want to do business with them anymore after all this charade. So he can ban me. I don't care. Going up, going up. Let me delete this and see what's going on. Nice, 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 nice. There was a 5-minute gap here. Should have taken notice about that. Also kind of like an inversion situation. But it's too late now. But I think it will still go. As long as ES wants to go for the 6,000, which I think it will, then NQ is definitely going to follow. There's no question about it. I'm just wondering if this one wants to push for a new high or not. ES is pushing higher. ES is definitely pushing higher. And yeah, it wants to go for 6,000, so. TopStep is great, ABC. Hello there. TopStep is super legit, OG. Absolutely no issue with TopStep. Obviously, I think there are, in my opinion, there are better conditions at other prop firms than TopStep. I think, for example, MyFundedFutures has better conditions. Just one example, and it's cheaper. So what's it gonna be? Should be going higher, right? Apex or MyFundedFutures. Although I had most of my payouts with Apex, I think MyFundedFutures. I would choose MyFundedFutures. If one would say I can only stay with one prop firm from those two, I think it would be MyFundedFutures. But that being said, again, most of my payouts came from Apex. Just sweeping some stops, right? ES swept Asia. Yeah, Mitch. Well, yeah, it swept some Asia levels there. This would have been the good trade here. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. If I would have realized that this 5-minute gap is going to turn into an inversion like this, I should have just followed the move. Now we have this one. I might even jump in. Who knows? Three micros. I might jump in with 3 micros. All right, jumped in with 3 micros. Why not, you know? Why not? One to 2 risk to reward would be up there at 82. Or maybe 2 micros. Oh, that's fine. As a possible continuation, as long as ES would continue higher towards the 6,000. What is going on? Anyway, here's the trade. Targeting the 70s. Actually, I'm gonna modify it to 70. And that's it. I should be targeting 74. Yeah. Hey, Gamecraft, what's going on? Good to see you. How have you been? How's the trades? ES likes this. Yeah. Yes, let me check ES again. Point of control at 66. Seems like it. As I said, it should be targeting the 6,000. Maybe not now, but you know, maybe until Friday. You know, Friday rally up to 6K. That would be interesting. Yeah. Man, this is tricky. I'm gonna get chopped up here. I'm not a silver bullet trader, Camille, but good to see you. I'm far away from silver bullet trader. Karsten, good morning. Doing okay. Not the best setups I take. So I took an L on a short previously. Now it seems like it's going for my stop again. I just don't seem to get the hang of it. It's just not my day so far in London. So it seems like Trump helped you out. Nice Gamecraft. I think everybody was super bullish on election day, right? Look at that, man. Oh, it's just gonna take me out. What a shame. I know, Camille. I know, Camille. Sorry. Erican, hey, have you seen the YouTube video from Trader Cage with Daryl Martin? I haven't checked the new video yet. I know that there's a new video. I have it in my bookmark section to watch it, but I haven't checked it. It's like a 55-minute video, I think, or something like that. I have to check it. Dude, what the hell is this doing? It's a tricky one, guys. It's an absolutely tricky one. All right. This is madness. This is Sparta or madness. I don't know. One of those. 15-minute huge reversal. Bearish formation. I think it wants to go lower. If you look at the 15-minute, if it closes like this, that's an absolute bearish formation. And then, you know, well, it could continue much lower, all the way down to this BC that we were talking about, but there's no, well, I guess there is. Look at the reaction on this, and now it's repricing this one, and you know, this should be pushing it down again, and I'm closing down the trade. Unfortunate. I really thought that this is gonna be a good one. I closed it. I just closed it. If it wants to sweep some levels, then, you know, it might have to go all the way down to below 96. I'm not trusting the price action right now. I closed it. I don't care. I don't care. It's just not my session for sure. But let's follow through. Let's just follow through, and let's watch out for these levels at 96, 97. Yeah, should have maybe should have waited, but interesting to see though how price is reacting at this level, and this fair value gap is still acting as support. Live accounts. Oh, 3 live accounts and Apex offer in the future direct funded accounts. Oh, yeah, I heard rumors about that. They want to offer direct funded accounts. Yeah, live to trade another day. Exactly. But still, look at this. This became an important fair value gap here. Look at how prices gravitated back to it, bounced and back down to it. Now, is there going to be another bounce, or are we just going to trade through? We don't know. Oh man, I have to check ES too. Seems like ES might gonna hold some ground here. Not sure. The 15-minute candle is gonna close in 2 minutes and 15 seconds. That could be a possible bearish continuation. The way it looks like it's bearish, obviously it doesn't mean anything because it didn't take out any significant level. But man, the reaction right here is crazy. Almost like, you know, the head and shoulders situation, and then it wants to go down to take liquidity down at, you know, if it goes, it has to go to 96 if it goes down. There's no other way around it. In the 5 minutes, I think, is the entry model you talk about. Yes, there was, exactly. I saw that too. 338 candle, 339 candle, beautiful reaction in the 5 minute gap. Actually tapped into some liquidity. So the reaction, I mean, this here is something that I also look for. Look at this. 1 to 2, boom. Should go up there to 45-ish. Let me look for possible imbalances. There is one at 923 on the mini. 1 minute. Look at this. Should have just taken it that. Yeah, I hope so too, Naomi, because if they start to do that, I would be definitely looking into the new straight to funded accounts, that's for sure. Obviously, I think when they roll out with that, there should be some sort of a sale going on. So Okay, so 15-minute candle, the new 15-minute candle is on. ES edged a little bit higher to reprice a liquidity void. Now it's done. Now it's done. Oh man. Come on. Let's see something. But we have equity open and macro kicking in less than 3 minutes. Hopefully. Maybe we can see some sort of a movement. I can feel it coming in the end. Oh, this is not that stream. Morning, Zach. I still got the same chopsticks. You know, to maintain my sanity. You know. And I got some new sunglasses. Actually, it's not that good as I thought it would be, but I can now stream in sunglasses. How about that? It has this blue shade or color or whatever. So it's a little bit cool, right? If I stream in sunglasses, do I look like a trading guru? I think I do, right? So I should just stream in sunglasses, and I would definitely look like a trading guru after this, right? Anyway, let's stream in sunglasses. Yeah, I'm the cousin of PW. I thought that, it's such a... I see that YouTubers who wear sunglasses are much more successful. So, how about this now? We're gonna do this. Yeah. With some electro music, we can obviously do that. Hold on, I'm gonna find some. I'm gonna find some good one. I'm gonna find some good one. Hold on. No. No, that's not good. Oh man, I'm so bored. No, I'm not. But my playlists. Where's my playlists? I know I had some classic one. somewhere. No, no, no. I'm gonna find it. I know I have it. Maybe I don't. I have it. They continue, geez. Give this man like 1,000. Yeah, Nathan. It's your hyper expensive setup. Oh yeah. And listen, this is the music that we're gonna listen during the stream. Don't worry, I'm just gonna torture you for 5 seconds. This is gonna be the music. Listen, and we're gonna stream like this. So that's what it's gonna be. That's how we're gonna continue to trade from now on. Go along now. I'm not gonna go long. I'm just gonna wait. I have no entry here. So these are the streams that we're looking ahead in the future. we're gonna start losing people now. But yeah. You do love that music. All right. That's more like 10 seconds. Okay. Oh, man. Yeah, hopefully not. Hopefully not. Night at Roxbury style. Oh yeah, that would be real awesome. Yeah. What is love? That would be the ultimate thing. So, we're still hovering here. I'm streaming New York. Yes, Red. I'm just reading chat. Yeah. Big buyer at these levels. Maybe. We're just gonna sit tight and then see what it wants to do. Obviously, right now these setups are just not turning out to be good for me. So just gonna have to sit tight. 916. The 916 level is still holding. Should have broken that 916 if it wants to change structure, but so far it still look bullish. Yeah, there you go. I just read your comment there, Tetsa. Or Tekka. Yeah, 916 need to break if we want to see it as a structure shift. Vladislav, baby, don't hurt me. I keep trying to buy when it dips, and when I put my order, it's up 1-2 points in. Oh, well. Okay, looks like we have some sort of reaction. Maybe it's because of the macro. We don't know. Is this a structure shift or a liquidity sweep? I also don't know that. Look like ES is repricing as well. ES has the liquidity or unbalanced price at 63.25. So a little bit lower. I don't know if it wants to go down. And also the real Asia lows are still untouched and relative equal lows at 57. I don't know what to think, but we're stuck here. And you have to put at that corner of the screen that which cat that keeps shaking. Oh, I see. Okay. May 2:30. Let's go. For London session, I think it's enough for a day. You know, Michael, congratulations. 2:30 on ES. That's a nice profit, especially on ES, especially on London. I know. That's good. That is good. So yeah, watching for that 916 level. Yeah, you know, I think so too. So it's a difficult area, to be honest. It's really hard to say what's gonna happen here. We have equities in about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Hourly has a big top wick rejection of higher prices. Can it break and finish lower? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. You know, I mean, the 1 minute is not going to tell us anything. We have to go higher and see the bigger picture. And if I see the bigger picture, I see that there is liquidity still down there. And we have Asia lows. But obviously, the leading horse is ES. ES is going to tell us the real direction because it's so close to 6,000. So if it starts to pump, then, you know, NQ is going to skyrocket as well. And I'm watching ES closely. And ES is you know, holding ground and slowly maybe accumulating positions. But let's see. We have equities open in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and volume kicking in. Maybe not. All right, nothing special for now. Let's watch Nvidia. Whoa. What a drop. Tesla. Wow, Tesla dropped. Boom. Just like that. Nvidia dropped just like that. Okay. We'll see. Yeah, there's FOMC. Yeah, exactly. Have to prepare for FOMC for sure. Volumetric copy trade is hardcore. Lots of settings. Oh, I haven't checked that, but I'm gonna look into that. You know, thanks for reminding me. Somebody else was saying also that I should check out the Volumetrica copier. I sneezed. Whoa. What is happening, man? No, actually nothing. What is happening? Other than that, Apple, Magic 7, all is down. Look at how this level is holding still. Yeah, it seems like this one is holding. This one wants to go up. Futures want to go up. You know. The question is that is it going to break that what was that? Yeah, 916 right here. I think he will. Let's check it. Yeah, at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard. Press conference at 2:30. That's going to be the real kicker. So, not really the statement, I guess. I mean, obviously, that would be very important. But obviously, the 2:30 p.m. press conference, that's going to be the highlight of the day. The press conference. So, between 2:30 and 3 p.m., that's going to be the real highlight. We have unemployment claims, which is also important at 8:30. But this, the real kicker, the press conference. Trump is going to speak too. Don't forget, this is going to happen today. This is going to happen today.
Good afternoon.
All right. So that's going to be the situation. Powell comes in, says good afternoon, and the markets, boom, that's it. And he just leaves, just like he just walks out like Clint Eastwood. You know, he comes in, good afternoon, market destroyed, And just like that, Clint Eastwood walk, boom, boom, boom. In the sunset, Powell goes away, and the markets are gonna crash up and down. That's gonna be this buyer is annoying. He keeps jumping the price every time. Yeah, that's what they do. The big boys. Look at this. Wow. Don't tell me this is good price action. This is horrific price action. Barcode, everything you want, it's here. And I just don't like it. It's horrendous. This price action is absolutely. Okay, so there might be a bullish reaction here. This bearish candle swept the low of this candle right inside this 5-minute fair value gap. This current candle, the 405 5-minute candle, traded above the previous one, so that's a bullish formation. That's absolutely a bullish formation here. I might give it a chance. I don't know yet. I'm still hesitating of what I should do. If it would close like this, then maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna give one shot to go long. What's the time now? We still have time. It was the 5-minute actually holding 1 minute and 22 seconds to close. So washing machine price action, yeah. Rinse you out of your money, yeah. Try to buy 30 contracts. I traded under 20. Then as soon as I put my order, it was a bid 22. Wow. That's kind of annoying, I guess. Or I don't know. All right, I might gonna jump into a buy as soon as this 5-minute candle closes. It is going to be a market order, but if it, yeah. So I just wanted to say, if it starts to go higher immediately, then I might not gonna jump in. Look at that. 20 seconds. I'd like to see this candle retrace a little bit lower. 15 seconds. All right, I'm not jumping in. Not jumping in. I don't like this. I don't like the shape of this candle. Obviously, it can still continue higher, but I just don't like that it actually went into this inversion gap. Who knows what it wants to do. If it would stay like this or even lower at 32, I might have pulled the trigger, but at this area, I'm not going to. Big seller at the top. Yeah, that could be the case. So the 5-minute actually, by the way, we have an inversion set up here. Oops. There's a 5-minute gap. And there's another one here. So 2 5-minute gaps. Looking for some sort of a reaction. Most likely, if this one wants to continue lower, I'm looking for a bearish reaction. Something like this. Oh, liquidity void at 924. I know it traded higher, but man, it's tempted to jump in with a small position if it closes bearish. It's tempting. It's tempting to jump in. For example, here. Oh, that would be a lot. I might jump in with 5 micros, market order. After the close of this candle, it's gonna be a very small position. I have to wait how the candle is gonna form. All right, 3, 2, 1, jumping in. All right, jumped in, risking about $70 or 65. And what I'm looking for is the 2450s. All right, I'm just gonna get taken out here. I'm just gonna get taken out. Here it is. Jumped too early. But I do like the candle and the reaction in the 5-minute gap. And the, what's it called? The liquidity void down there. Oh no. Oh no. This is not my day, guys. This is not my day. All right, I give up. This is just not my session. It's just not happening. The magic is not happening for me now. What the hell? Something's wrong with the matrix, or I don't know. The magic is not working. Yeah, you know, Michael, it's not just you. You know, days like this, I have no freaking idea what could be wrong. Oh man, I feel like I want to overtrade. I really wanted to see a nice bearish reaction. It's just not gonna happen. Look at that liquidity void down there on the mini. Boom. I like that area. All right, now actually we might have a chance here. This current candle, this can give us a second chance. This can actually turn things around. This current candle. All we have to do is just do some magic. Where's my sunglasses? No, I'm not gonna put that on because then I won't see my entry. So, come on, just trade a little bit lower than 43. And we're gonna have a second chance for the stream, you know.
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist, you know. Come on, man. Come on. Just trade lower than the previous candle and I'm... Did it go below? Technically it did. Oh man, I don't want to chase it. Yeah, I'm not chasing it. I did not enter. But it was tempting. No, I can't. Or can I? Or can I? Just go higher than the discount. Okay, I'm saved. Okay. All right. All right, I'm saved. I'm not... This actually invalidates this trade, so I'm all right. I'm all right. I'm okay. All right. So don't worry, we'll have our entry. We'll have our entry. Oh yeah, at ProfiTrade, if you purchase and get to a payout until November 30, then you're gonna have an extra $500 on payout. Totally forgot. Totally forgot that. Nvidia is skyrocketing. Dude, what the heck is this doing, man? Yeah, Nvidia is going. I must say that, you know, although I have no real issue with London session, but nowadays, this was one of the worst. I mean, not price. I mean, not the session itself, but the price action, the dirty moves. So I would say this London session had the most dirty moves in the past like 2 weeks. This is the dirtiest London session. Starting from this move, and then this move, and that one. It's all dirty. London is full dirty. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, everybody. Hold on. I think we might just gonna have a possible re-entry. Why am I so married to the idea that we want to go short? This is super dangerous. It's grinding up the stairs. All right. As soon as this candle closes in a bearish formation, I'm entering. I don't care about anything. I don't care about tomorrow. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm not entering. This candle looks awful. Bullish pin bar. Ugh. Okay. This is just not it, guys. This is just not it. It's not it. London is dirty. Today, it's all dirty. It's playing dirty tricks. Heavily manipulated. Yeah. You know, especially on FOMC days like this. Now, if you can make money in this shit show here, then obviously you're not just lucky, but you're good. You're good. Hats off, really. Mad Mac Futures, what's up? My view is that we failed that high on the previous push, so I am inclined to be looking for shorts at the moment too. I completely get what you're saying. The problem is, on my end, is that I am super duper confident that ES is going to go for 6,000. I'm absolutely, I can just almost touch it in the air that ES wants to go for 6,000. So it's going to pull NQ. Maybe not now, but in the New York session or after Powell or before Powell, who cares, right? But we're going to touch 6,000. And that's why NQ is just not, it doesn't want to go lower. Sellers are just not pushing it enough. A+ trader, my man. Good to have you. What's going on? How was your session so far? How was the election day? I hope you made some profits there. Or if not, that's still good. Good to see you back. Yeah, it looks that way. Yeah. Short at 10, more at 55. Shorts, I mean, I would like to go short, you know, but it definitely looks like, you know, I think the sellers are scared as well because everybody sees ES. And that 6,000 number is just blinking there, like bing, bing, and price just wants to go. As long as ES is gonna gravitate closer and closer to 6,000, NQ is just not gonna go down. It's just not. So actually, we're going for 21K. So here's the level, 21K. That's where NQ is going. I don't have an entry. I tried my best to sweep some liquidity down there. It didn't work out for me yet. One more chance, but it could be tricky. If this would do a displacement towards the 21K, I might jump in, but I don't really want to chase it. What I can see happening until New York session is this. Slow grind, taking the stairs. Even going sideways. Slow grind, you know, this. You know, this is gonna happen all the way up, all the way, and maybe it's gonna go down and then go up and slowly grinding its way up to 21K until ES is not gonna reach the 6,000. That's what I'm afraid of. Yeah, the worst price action is the slow grind. You know, there's no displacement, no significant areas and levels. This is slow grind is like this. That's it. What is that function in TradingView where I can clone the candles? Where I can clone the candles? What? How can I do that? How can I clone the candles? No. I saw that you can select the candles and you can just clone it. Which one is that? Ghost feed. What is a ghost feed? Forecast? No. Slow grind is the hard. Yeah, exactly. Oh, that's it. Here you go. So this is the kind of this is the one. This is the indicator. Or I like TradingView for these things. What a grind, you know. This is what's gonna happen, like slowly going up there without any particular movement. Actually, how can I do that again? Ghost feed, anchored VWAP, bars pattern. What is this? Oh, this. No, I don't need bars pattern. That's not it. Ghost feed. Anyway, gold is still weak. It's gonna find its way, I think. Should be breaking. Look at this. Repriced, going higher. There are some good levels there. Should be going. Actually, if we look at the big picture, look at the 15-minute. It's all just consolidation. That's it. So what we can expect is a quick push, maybe, or slow push, whatever, but going to 21K. As long as ES is gonna go bullish, that's what's gonna happen. I actually put an alert to 6,000. Whoa. What is this? Could this be a structure shift? Look at my favorite target there. Could this be a structure shift to reprice lower? Because this is actually a bullish order block. So is this a sign that it might want to go down? Okay, this is starting to get interesting for one last shot, you know. Let's see this current candle. For one last shot. Actually, I'm gonna set up my copy trader for 2 evaluations. Dun, dun, dun. All right. So, that's 7 micro. All right. Jumped into a short. That's it. Man, it's gonna take me out. Guess what I'm looking for? Yeah. It's just based on OTE, nothing special. And I also so it's a low probability. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna close a portion of this. And all right, this is better. At least the risk to reward is a little better on this. Oh man. I stopped trading London last week and it was the best idea I ever had in trading. I'm just watching it to see what's going on. I thought you're just watching others to suffer. No, what's going on? And then I trade from 9:30. Yeah, obviously, the best moves are always, I think, especially nowadays, are in New York. So, yeah. Bulenox payout policy isn't good enough. Looks like Apex. Well, it's actually Apex looks like Bulenox now, because you know the new rules at Apex look like Bulenox. But I received multiple payouts now. I can say with Bulenox. The only thing you have to go for, you know, is that you obviously have to trade your way up to $3,600, and that's it. So $1,500 on that bullish move. It may be 30 minutes with 1 minute. That's how you do it. And look at that. This is gonna be it. You know, I tried my best. I got married to the idea that it's gonna go down and reprice some lower levels. It's just not happening. Yeah, Cole, I know Nvidia is driving the market pretty much. Well, yeah, what can we do, right? You Profit, it looks like Top Step yellow version. No, I didn't. I heard the name, but I didn't try them yet. Using Tick Trader with Top Step app, amazing setup like Top Step. Oh, cool. That's cool, man. I'm pretty much grinding with Quant Tower, you know, but trading on tilt. Hey, good morning. It's exact same app that TopStep uses. Yeah, I mean, TopStep, obviously, they don't own the application. They just got the permission to sign it as TopStep X. But they also bought the license from another company, I mean, from a provider. Or something like that. But TopStep X is not genuinely their program. They bought it and rebranded it. Oh man, I thought we were gonna have a nice waterfall drop. I cannot add more trades for today if it fails or whatever. This is gonna be my last trade for sure on this London session. I'm just not feeling it. I thought it's trading view based charts and everything else. Yeah, something. I mean, yes, it's trading view based, but the software is made by some third-party company. I don't really know the details, but also they said on Top Step TV, not now, but months ago, that obviously they hired a third-party company who landed their platform, and they bought the license so they could rebranded it to TopStep X. But how TradingView comes into the equation, I don't know, but obviously it looks like TradingView. They use the same charting server. Oh. On the left is an icon, chart by TradingView. Okay then, so there has to be some kind of third-party licensing involved there. But anyway. Oh man, get me out from this misery. What a shame. I really thought that, you know, the final trade would be a banger. And no, it's not. It's just not happening. It's not doing it. Whoa, maybe it's doing it. Okay, maybe we might gonna have a happy ending, you know. Let's waterfall down. Yeah, FOMC day is terrible. I hated it in the beginning because a lot of issues. Yeah, obviously, you know, implementing a new platform can give a lot of issues, a lot of bugs. Worst day. Yeah, never before FOMC. Yeah. Fresh Delgado, this day just, you know, I don't even know what to tell you. For scalpers, there are better platforms. I heard about the slippage. That slippage is an issue. But don't know much more. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Anyway, let's just keep on waiting. I mean, we still have time from the kill zone, so technically we're valid. Maybe I should have done this earlier, but maybe it's gonna help. Maybe this is gonna help. So I say let's do this. Let's go down. All right, I'm not torturing you. It's not going. It did go a little bit. So it did go a little bit. Cover 10 at 42. All right. Hey man. Water price section. I have an idea. I have an idea. It's a brilliant idea. If we put this here, maybe. Or this one. You know, maybe this way. Maybe. Come on. You see? Slowly starting to work. Keep hammer on top. I should put a hammer here. There's no hammer. All right, don't worry. We're working on it. Oh man. There you go. Here's the hammer. All right. So now we have the hammer. Oh, Cedric, take care. Don't put the Rocky music on, right? See you later, Cedric. Around this area, but I think it will break them all. Could be. You know, if I put the hammer to look like a little bit bigger, maybe that could help. That's all I can do. There's nothing more I can do about price. You know, that's all. That is all. It's not working, man. What? I'm not doing anything. I'm just trying to trade. No. That's how it works, you know. That's how the trades are usually working out the best, you know. Maybe not. Look at that. If I move it like this. Come on. Go down. All right, it helps. It helps. Come on, let's go down. Go down. I'll try my best, you know. I have to try every possibility that helps this one to go lower. It's not working, man. It's not working. It's just not working. I tried everything. I really did. Not even Tom Cruise can make this happen. So it's over, man. It's over. Just keeps grinding higher. Only buy the dip. I'm a showman. This is not a show. This is real trading, man. This is real trading. this is actually real trading, how it's supposed to happen. Oh, that's true, Cedric. It's a job. Let's get serious. It's a job. But no, I'm taking it seriously, by the way, because I do want this to go lower. So I do take it seriously. Titanic. Look at it. It's working. I told you. Titanic music. Hold on. Hold on. I have something absolutely awesome for you. You guys gonna laugh. You guys gonna love this. I'm already laughing. All right, so here we go. Let's hear the Titanic music. Come on. Come on. Oh. Let's go trade. All right, this was beautiful. So did it help? Not really. All right. All right, we're losing people. Okay, I'm stopping. All right, let's get real serious. Made the grown man cry. So yes, something like that. Yeah. You see, it actually really helped. The gun emoji. Is there a gun emoji? Where is it? I can't. There's no search in this one. Where's the gun? Maybe there is no gun. Can't seem to find it. I'm not gonna find it. Oh, there is one here. Can I flip this? can't flip it, right? I don't know. That's all. There's nothing more we can do for price to go lower. Really, we tried everything. Yeah, hammer, you know, to hammer price down. Since I'm sitting still in this trade, but that's all. There's nothing more I can do here. We tried to bait the price with a lot of money. Maybe if more money can help. With the magnet, hammer, water pistol. It's just not gonna. It's not moving. Too many people buying. Yeah, look at that. It's gonna work out. Trust me. 50% of the time, every time. All right? Trust me on this one. 50% of the time, every time. Yeah, so this right now, today, we're doing some very, very technical stuff. And I just wanted to let you guys see how technical analysis can also be, done properly. And all these indicators that you see on the chart can actually help you nurturing price into the direction that you want price to go. So usually the hammer, the magnet, and the bag of money, and the final special cherry on the top is the water pistol. Usually these always help. So yeah. Tomahawk emoji. Maybe. So, just giving some space for the price. Nice. I see. Beautiful, beautiful. You guys are rocking there. Rocking. Yeah, I think you guys have a great entry. This is, by the way, Fresh Delgado, this is part of the new ICT model. Thank you for saying that, by the way, because this is part of the new concepts, ICT concepts. If nothing is actually working in your way, these things usually happen. So what you're seeing right now is advanced charting. So just keep that in mind, all right? What a boring London session. Yeah, I'm sorry if you guys are fed up with my behavior right now. What to do? I mean, honestly, what the hell should we do here in this? Oh my god, it's ringing. My phone. Have to pick up just a second. Sorry, quickie phone call. You sent me a mail? Let me check. Where is my... I closed my email again. Why did I close it? You sent me a TikTok. Let me check it. Whoa. Wow. These guys are pros. I'm watching it. These guys are super pros. Oh, they lost. Oh, no. Yeah. That usually happens. I like that. Cool video. That was a cool video. I blow it up for the upside. What do you mean? What? What are you guys doing? Please no break. What does that mean? I see. Oh. Nice emojis there. Hey, but you guys, you're still, you know, it's still valid. Your position is still valid there, I think, in my opinion. That was an awesome video, Holy Grail. I liked it. Don't you know, pump it up. What were your major breakthroughs as a trader towards consistency within the past 6 months? Journaling more, simplifying trade models, executing more. Well, that's an excellent question, and thank you, Hertz, for asking that, because that's a very, 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 very good question, and there's no simple answer to that, but focusing on only one market, mainly NQ. So I'm watching ES, and I you know, look on gold and stuff, but I'm focusing on one market. Not the journal. I journal, but and actually that helped. But the breakthrough in the past 6 months, I would say, even if I have a good session or a bad session, I review after the session, most likely after the stream or later during the evening or the night. I sit down for a few minutes or 10 minutes, whatever, and look back what I did wrong and what I did right. So this is kind of like a journaling process, but I'm not writing anything. I'm just scrolling back my charts and reviewing what I actually did wrong, what I could have done differently. So it's technically like a review. That's another thing. And simplifying trade models, yes, definitely. You just nailed it, by the way. Simplifying it as much as I can. And one of the biggest things is sizing down my trades. Not trading with minis, especially not on the funded accounts. On evaluations, that's a different thing. But on the funded accounts, sizing down the trades. For example, if I'm on a losing streak, for example, I lose 2 trades on a funded account, and I still have a little bit of a wiggle room, and I do want to jump in because I see an A+ setup. I jump in, but maybe even smaller positions. So I go with micros. And something like that. So taking less trades, sizing down, reviewing my day. After each day, I review what I did wrong, what I did right. And then I used to write down, here's my notepad actually, right here. I write down what did I see, how did I react to that certain price action. I usually write about my emotions and how I reacted. And I'm a dinosaur, so I use paper and pen. So real paper, and I write it down into my book. And these things help me to stay more, not perfectly, but more disciplined, right? So I would say these things help me. No volume? No volume, yeah, sorry. I got a video? All right. You're sending it on X? All right, I'm gonna check it out just a second. Take a very one tick higher, yeah. Had to leave. This market will make me crazy. Yeah, Cedric, see you later. Thanks for being here. I got a funny. Oh, all right, let me check it. Let me check it. It's free. Thank you for pushing the like. Go break even. Leave this trade. I'm not gonna go to break even. It's all right. It's all right. 3-year reflection. What were some pain points you removed or are you aware of now? These are common. How did you deal with these negative traits? Ooh, I'm gonna answer that because that's also a good question. Let me check on Fresh Delgado's message here. He says it's appropriate video. Let me check it. Is this on oh, I see this. Yeah, how do I put this out on like here?
Take a seat. Just put those on.
I am the algorithm. I am the author. It's mine. And I know it.
I like it. I love it. Thank you. So, sorry, Hertz. So, how did you deal with these negative traits? Pain points I removed. Pain point. I would say that was painful is that, so what I did is I sized down. I have to say that again. I traded with much smaller size. As soon as I started to trade with smaller size, so micros, obviously 2, 3, 4 micros on the funded account, it became less stressful immediately, much more less stressful immediately. I was able to sit through, for example, let's assume that this trade is going to go to TP. I don't know, but let's assume that it goes. You know, if I would be sitting in this one with a mini or 2 minis, I would be pulling my hair out and I would be making stupid decisions. Now I'm sitting in this one with 4 micros. I determined my risk for $100. And if I lose this, I don't care. I'm just going to lose $100. And $100 loss is absolutely fine. I'm perfectly okay with it. So as soon as I sized down, everything checked out and everything felt better. And you know, I think over leveraging and oversizing is the biggest problem for many traders, including myself, that leads to catastrophe, you know, blowing your funded accounts, because it's all about emotions. And by the way, I always go back to read Mark Douglas books. That's also helped a lot. So Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone, The Disciplined Trader. Obviously, there are lots more books, but those two books, especially Trading in the Zone, helped me a lot. And you can also look for Mark Douglas workshops on YouTube, digitalized from VHS from the 90s and from the early 2000s. Obviously, he talks a lot about mentality and psychology. It tremendously changed my view and perspective on trading. That was almost like a turning point. If I go back to read Mark Douglas books, like, it always reminds me that what can we or cannot do as traders, because we cannot do anything. The only thing we do is manage risk. The best thing we can do as traders is take an educated guess, because we're just guessing where price is going. I know ICT is saying predicting, yes, predicting, but we're taking an educated guess, and all we do is just managing risk. That's who we are. We are basically risk managers. We're not traders. We're managing risk. That is it. That's the only control we have. But anyway, let me check Discord. What are you doing, man? What are you doing with these emojis? I think you should be all right. Looks like this one wants to pop higher. Look at the hammer and the pistol didn't work out. Not yet. I tried my best, but it's just not doing the thing. I tried. You know. What do you think is more difficult to deal with? Executing a trade after a loss or executing a trade after a big win? After a string of executing after a big win after a string of losses. I think it's more difficult to, it's a tricky question. I think it's more difficult to execute a trade after a big win, because you don't want to lose your profits, right? So if I have a very, very good profit on one of my funded accounts or any of my funded accounts, and if I see an A++ setup forming, I give you an example. For example, I make $300 on a 50K funded account. $300 for one particular funded account for a day is very good for me. I used to leave that. And if I see another super A+ setup forming after I made that $300, it's absolutely more difficult to execute the trade, because I have fear of losing the previously made profit. So the fear of losing those profits is actually bigger than starting up the day with a fresh account and, you know, having no trades and just, you know, have a loss as a first trade or whatever. It hits harder when I have to give back the profit from earlier, I think. Yeah. Good question again. You're blowing up the price with the emoji. Mostly dealing with loss, yeah. Tomasz got shorts at 938. Longs. Maybe. I guess he did. It's a crazy price action right now. But anyway, guys, I don't think I'm gonna babysit this one. I'm just gonna leave this trade. Let's see how the hammer and the rest of the stuff goes. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I don't care. It's fun, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna be coming back in the New York session. It was an interesting session, but it was a very dirty price action. Let's just stay with that. All right, it was a dirty price action. So thank you so much for watching and staying here with me. And sorry if I was a little bit stupid, more stupid than usual, fooling around. But it was just the typical fooling around from me. But see you guys in New York session. Thanks for watching. If you would like to support, please use my codes and links. Some discounts going on still with Bulenox. No activation fee with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures if you type my code, and Apex Trader 80% off, 1-day pass, and instant funded accounts with ProfiTrade. I do have a Tradeify link as well. You can check it. Instant funded account. The code is same, TOMSABO. Thank you so much. See you in a New York session. Cheers, everybody. God bless.